question, we are talking about the following diagram shows 6 lines with an equation of y equals to mx plus c, and where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. And we need to fill up this particular table. So now we are talking about m has to be positive and c is also positive. So gradient is positive as well as the y-intercepts are positive. First of all, if I talk about which are the lines which has a gradient to be positive, so that's clearly line 3, line 5, and line 6. So the lines are going upwards. So if you read the line from left to right, so and that is why, so these 3 lines has a positive gradient. And if I talk about out of these 3 lines, which one will have the positive y-intercept? So the y-intercept represents the point where it cuts the y-axis, and clearly this is the line which has a positive y-intercept. So that's why here the answer must be L5. And next, let us answer this last part. So where m is greater than 0, which means it must be a positive gradient, but c is lesser than 0, so which means we need the negative y-intercept. So that's clearly line 3. So next, if I talk about the next one, so m is less than 0. So clearly line 1, line 2, and line 3 has a negative gradient. And where c has to be positive, that's happening in line 4. So it has to be line 4 here. And c has to be negative, that's happening in line 1. And this is the right answer for this sum.